Hi guys, how's it going? Another beautiful day down here. So, I've had this question pop up a couple of times on my videos. How to connect your GPS to your Yamaha 6YC display. I must admit, I'm a big fan of this display. There's also a Command Link Plus with even more advanced features, but it should work the same way. So why connect them? Because that way your 6YC can receive one valuable information: speed. Then it will show your speed on the display and it will calculate the average consumption accordingly. So to link them together, easy. First, go to your 6YC and you'll see a black plug. Follow that and you'll see a white cable with a plus sign. This is a GPS cable. Then make sure your GPS has a Yamaha connection. Mine is the Yamaha 0183. Then go back to your GPS and find your power cable. You'll see the thicker red and black cables are the power, and you'll see a bunch of really thin wires. Sorry it's a bit messy. On that bunch you can see the blue wire. That's for transmit. That's the one you need. Now you just need to connect them together using a MB wire connector or any other way you prefer. If you turn your 6YC now, it won't show the speed yet. You need to turn your GPS on. In my case, it's a Garmin 721XX. Go to Settings, then Communications, then press the serial port 1. Default here is Garmin Data Transfer. You'll then see 4 options. Press Yamaha Standard for Yamaha 0183 units, or press Yamaha High Speed for Yamaha 2000 units. And voila! Hope this video helps, and please do comment if you have any questions. I like to use this comment section like a forum, so according to the comments I try to make better videos next time. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys!